There was a shepherd who cared for everyone. He said, church is more than walls we see. It is
Hallelujah, church. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Church, hear me. Church haisi building chete. Church vanhu. Kana munhu achirwadziwa, tese tinofanira kurwadziwa naye. God has called us to love one another, kubatsirana and carry each other's burdens. Hello, brother. I don't think I've seen you here before. No, Pastor. It's actually my first time. Then you are very welcome. Come and worship with us. You won't regret it. Thank you. I'll come. That's good. Welcome kumuriedu.
church is more than walls we see. It is
Welcome, my son. Was this your first time with us? Yes, Apostle. And how did you feel? I felt at home. Honestly, I've never been welcomed like this before. Then don't feel like a visitor. Garanesu, you are family. Thank you, Apostle. Makatumwa chaizvo.